viewers, I'm in MSI booth and with me Ashish. He heads the marketing in the component business for India. As you know, the AI has one of the biggest changes. Let's talk to Ashish and understand in the component business, especially in the graphic card, in the motherboard, what are the new features, new software they're bringing in the AI perspective, which will be really helpful to the India market and the consumer to enjoy their product. Ashish, most welcome to NCN channel.
Thank you so much, sir, for having me. Hi NCN viewers, today you are at the MSI component booth. So today what I'm going to showcase you is our premium most, the innovative most segment called as the MEG series. So here we have world's first 6-inch display LCD display liquid cooler. You can see that there is a 6-inch display. I will also showcase you how it is built in a PC. Then we have the newly launched X870 Ace motherboard, which comes with the latest connectivity and also offers seamless USB ports and even the Thunderbolt ports. So then you can see a complete PC build. This is our hero product. This is our showstopper of the event. This is a MSI Maestro 900 series cabinet. This cabinet has मल्टीपल डिस्प्लेस. आप देख सकते हो लिक्विड कूलर पे डिस्प्ले है, आप देख सकते हो मदरबोर्ड पे डिस्प्ले है, उसके बाद में साइड्स में भी 2 डिस्प्ले है. तो साइड में जो डिस्प्ले लगा हुआ है वो एक एक्सेसरी की तरह भी आप खरीद सकते हो. आई टेक यू थ्रू अगेन ऑन दैट. And you can see this is a completely panoramic view cabinet which has curved tempered glass. So you can enjoy the complete view of your PC build. देख सकते हो एक cabinet में. This cabinet can also hold double 5090 like 2x 5090 horizontally mounted. So this is one of the showstopper. Then I'll take you through the monitor segment. So now we are here at the MSI series segment, but there's a switch. अभी आपने जो देखा, now what you saw is a customization product, which means you can customize your PC build. But here we have the solution product, which means it is ready to use. तो someone आपको अगर PC build नहीं करना है या PC build करना नहीं आता है, आपको ready-made solution चाहिए, तो we have pre-built desktops, also monitors. So what is, as you can see on the screen, यहाँ पे AI robot करके. This is a new technology that we have partnered with NVIDIA, and we have come in with an AI robot called as MSI AI robot. This also works offline. तो अगर आप ChatGPT यूज करना चाहते हो, आप अगर Copilot Plus यूज करना चाहते हो, कोई भी चाहे तो आपको क्या चाहिए होता है, इंटरनेट कनेक्शन चाहिए होता है. बट हियर यू कैन यूटिलाइज इट इन ऑफलाइन एज वेल, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्रेन दिस बॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर यूसेजेस. And then I'll just show you one of our I was talking about the pre-builds, right? We have the MechVision X AI. It is loaded with AI HMI features. So you can see here we have ready AI zone. As soon as you click on this, the screen opens up. It's all this.
From here you can control all the
It is a touch screen. You can just on the go select any AI that you need, and the window will open up on the monitor. Generation 2, we had last year we had the Generation 1. Now we have the Generation 2, which is readily available. That screen can also be used as a duplicate display as well. Yes, sir. Yeah, hi. So now we are at the MPG series segment, where we have the world's first QD LED monitor with AI sensor. And what's best is it comes with a 2K 500 Hz refresh rate. So you can see this is 500 Hz 2K refresh rate. This is one of our hero monitor. As you can see here, यहाँ पे as you can see here, there's an AI sensor integrated here. So what does this AI sensor does? So just in case you are not close to your monitor, आपने monitor से उठ के दूर गए हो, you are away from your monitor, this automatically detects and turns off the monitor. You're closer to the monitor, this automatically wakes up. It checks the ambient temperature and accordingly adjusts the ambient temperature. It also maintains based on the lighting of the room. So this AI Care sensor, OLED Care 3.0, using this AI Care sensor avoids burn-in issue. So you might have heard, right, a lot of OLED monitors will have burn-in issue. So to avoid this burn-in issue and increase the life efficiency, we have an AI Care sensor integrated with OLED Care 3.0. So with all these features, your lifespan of the monitor increases as well as the burn-in decreases. But don't worry, you are still covered with 3 years of MSI's warranty. So now we are at the esports section. Now you would have seen, right, our monitor with 500 Hertz. But guess what? We have an even faster refresh rate monitor with 600 Hertz. This is a rapid TN panel with 600 Hertz, specifically designed for esports enthusiasts. So, koi gamer hai who wants to have, who is a professional gamer, who is a casual gamer, who wants the highest of the highest refresh rate, can buy this monitor. It offers 600 Hertz on full HD display, and here you can see the difference between a 600 Hertz monitor and 100 Hertz monitor as well. So hi, now we are at the Easy DIY area. So if you guys remember, we had N-Power motherboard back in the days with Intel Z770 chipset. It broke a lot of world records. It was specifically dedicated for overclocking. So we have got it back now with the B850 chipset. So you can see this is specifically designed for tech enthusiasts and overclockers. So as you can see, it also has an edge dashboard. So people who overclock can understand that they require clear CMOS button, reset button, and with the post codes here you can see what is causing the issue, and accordingly you can utilize the edge dashboard rather than messing up on the motherboard, and this makes your overclocking experience more easier and more complete. And we have also recently broken few records on this motherboard, so you can go and check it out on that. Then this is another easy DIY feature that you can highlight. As you can see, back in the days you can see the soldering on back of the motherboards which used to pop outside, which there were chances that it could break during transport, or when you hold the motherboard it can hurt you. But now you can see it is completely flat. So we have integrated such a technology that which makes your PC build experience more easier, more better, and also doesn't damage your motherboard. And then we obviously have the easy DIY features of our motherboard, like easy M.2 removal, easy M.2 storage. You can just add a SSD and just lock it on the slot. And this is a magnetic one, so you can just place it. You can just place it on the go. So you can just place it on the go. And you can also see our power supplies. MSI power supplies come with this one small feature but very helpful feature. So you can see that at the end of the connector there's a yellow area, right? So whenever you plug into your graphic card, if the yellow area is visible, then it means that your cable is not completely inserted properly. So once you insert it properly, the yellow area won't be visible, and this helps prevent the burn-in issues caused on the latest RTX 40 and 50 series. So this is small but very good feature to have on your power supplies. So here we are at the MSI Vision Hub, where you can experience the latest MSI RTX Supreme Titanium Edition. So this is completely made out of titanium material. So what happens if it is made out of titanium material? So the weight is reduced rather than the traditional metal. The weight is reduced. It is corrosion resistant. So you can see that we have also won Best of Computex award from eTechnics as well as from Tweaktown. So now we are at the MSI graphic card section. So here you can see our top of the line Hero series, the Supreme series. In Supreme you can see the Supreme Liquid 5090 in display, and then you can also see the Supreme series 5090 normal air cooled version. So we have both liquid cooled solution as well as air cooled solution on our latest 5090 series graphic card in the Supreme series. Then you can also see our different offerings, such as our Vanguard, dedicated for gamers who like more of an RGB blink. Then we have the Gaming Trio, which comes with 3 fans. It comes with both white and black, so based on your PC build you can choose that. Then we have a new edition launch which is called Inspire series. It is SFF ready, so if you are building a small form factor PC, this is ready for that, and it is designed for creators who don't want RGB blink and who want aesthetics in their content creation PCs. So going forward, we also have other series here in display. The Shadow series, which is of complete black, and then we have the Ventus series. Then we also have the Gaming series. So here we are at the SSD segment. So we have the latest Generation 5 SSDs called the Spatium M571. So this is this will soon be available in India. Right now we have Gen 5 SSDs already available, but it's a different model. We have Gen 4, Gen 5 SSDs readily available in India, and you can also see that we have Ortec, which will be our enterprise SSDs. For enterprise solutions, you can utilize these SSDs.
For more information visit, please visit www.mobileindia.online.net. For more